Hey guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to look for your earnings summary in Amazon Associates. So let's get started. Go up here, first log into Amazon Associates home, and now go up here. Let me just zoom in a little for you. All right. Go up here and choose these reports. Scroll down here, earning report. Now wait for it to load and you should be here. Pretty much everything is here. As you can see, you have total earnings summary. For more details, you can look at commissions, bounties. Everything is set here. How much clicks you had, orders, ships, and how much you earned. You can also choose in last 30 days, 7, yesterday, today. You can also choose a custom date, and after choosing, just click apply and everything should update, and you should again then have a new total earnings summary. Anyhow guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.